You guys probably can't see that, but anyway, that's the target. Thank you, Jesus. Here we go. Did that block y'all out? No. Man, I just touched that headstock. Dadgummit. That's what the camera will do for you. Ah, nice. I'm gonna have to clean that up big time. See if that's against his way. I won't touch the headstock again. Probably is a your way. I think it's probably not going to focus. Well. side looks real good. Okay. And of course, I got this dowel. It's like a mirror. Grab some sandpaper around it. You can use a pencil, screwdriver, whatever, and just sand the access. I'm going to use a standard Les Paul style cover on it, and they've got plenty of room. I'm going to relieve these edges a little bit, probably even a little more than this, but just for now. Just because you know how the truss rod wrenches, the hex will cut into both sides as you're adjusting. But, you know. My head's probably all up in the way. Sweet. Plenty of room for a screw right there. And that's it. All right. Oh, hey, let's do this just so that hang on now, we're gonna travel and you're on a tripod, so let's do this. Here's old Les Paul, the BFG. Sorry. And let me take this thing off real fast. Pinch. For two reasons. One is you could get a load of this. Mess. Stop. That's nice, huh? Gibson, what is up? But it's a barely finished guitar. That's pretty crazy. Of course, they pre-cut those things, which I do too. Man, we got the rock going on. Hang on. Sorry. You guys probably gonna be seasick, mad as a hornet. So anyway, with one of these guys on there, kind of looks pretty cool. This is for Raymond Hardy. So Raymond, I'm thinking about calling it Dora the Explorer. What do you think? All right, pretty cool. All right, see you, bye. Oh, this is Agora. Alan G playing bass, and Santiago, dang it, I can't remember his name, playing guitar. He's a beast, man. Anyway, I might tag him in this too, and Alan G as well, because those guys are fabulous musicians, man. Just smoking riffs. And Alan G went on tour with VCS guitars, which is awesome, taking the basses along, which is great. All right, we'll talk at y'all. See you, bye.